In today's video, I'm going to show to you another new update in RPlanet. And before we start this video, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I do have 10,300 subscribers, so please help me reach that 15,000. So let's just start right. Okay. So RPlanet released an exciting news from the RPlanet laboratory last 18 hours ago, and you can read it for really short short time amount of time. And the point of this article right here is they're going to release new elements wherein you can try to invent and find the item, and so that you can get a specific amount of NFT, which in turn you can stake in RPlanet. So this one is really exciting news because if we're going to look onto this part right here, okay, a lot of elements are already been found, uh, except this part right here, except bacteria, ozone, NFT, upliftium, soda, bubbles, okay. But other than that, most of the elements are already been found. So what you just need to do is just craft this one. And for you to know the recipes for RPlanet elements, what you just need to do is go to RPlanet tools.versal.app/generator, and you'll be able to find everything here. So you can just scroll it down below, so you can see that there's a lot more um, expensive Aether. Okay, before, when I checked this website right here, I think they've only found time, but as of now, they also found pencil, they also found shit, they also found calculator, book, alarm, flashlight, flag, Bitcoin, music, money, and others. So as you can see here, okay, this is the reason as well why RPlanet is going to make a new set of elements. So we can read it, okay. So since the arrival on RPlanet, the animals knew that the colonization would be massive undertaking and would require a multitude of elements and minerals not yet discovered. First, the animals had to make sure there were enough rigs to increase the Aether production to levels that will be sufficient for the discovery of all the base elements and materials. So they launched a massive effort to produce more rigs, and it was a huge success. The generator has been producing new materials daily, but they knew this alone would be enough. So Captain Pig had a plan, so this is more like a lore scenario right here, and ordered his engineer LT Raccoon to use his skills and construct an underground secret laboratory. It was there that Dr. Rabbit has been working tirelessly since their arrival, doing experiments and tinkering with the generator. After many sleepless nights and illness calculations, our Dr. Rabbit has some very good news to share. So, with some tricks and recalibration, the generator will finally be ready to produce the many more elements and materials needed for the colonization effort, which means more elements will be released. So, what is this news? Okay, when more elements has been produced, it's either you can produce an element that is new for pretty much a cheaper Aether price, unlike this part right here, which you need around 43 million Aether to make. Okay, or it could be a lot more expensive to make. So my guess is it will be a lot more expensive, because when you're building this money, okay, when you're building this gold, when you're building this music, okay, there is a specific generator, which in when you combine these two, when you combine these three, okay, probably it will produce another one, so another element. So this is a pretty much good news, okay, but as well, pretty much I don't think it is all good news, because um, my thoughts on this one right here is, since more elements are being produced, probably more NFTs will be put inside the platform as well. So if you're going to to check the staking part of RPlanet, you can see that even though this is not subjected to nerf, since more elements will be produced, then probably the Aether per hour that you're going to get will get lower as well. Even though it is not nerfed, okay, it is because of the number of NFTs inside the RPlanet. So this is a good news for people who've never got a single piece of NFT, okay? Because when you're building this one, okay, okay, if you buy it into the secondary market, it is really expensive, okay? So I would really recommend that if you're going to build something, okay, um, just have a lot of Aether so that you can build this one right here. So this is a new update from RPlanet, which I'm really surprised as well because I can get a chance to be able to get a higher elements that can produce more Aether per hour, and of course it is a passive income for me as well because I can always transfer my Aether. Okay, so you can always swap your Aether via wax.alco exchange and then just transfer it back to wax, which in turn you can transfer it in the future from wax to USD Tether. So that's how simple it is. Qcoin has a wax. Okay, you can directly swap wax into that platform as well. So that is it for this video, guys. Okay, it is a new update for RPlanet, and yeah, I think RPlanet will keep their words on their elements wherein they won't be subjected to nerf. Okay, and that's it. See you on my next video.